Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Here we will talk about the YouTube TV error code 2. This error usually indicates that there is a playback issue. This error mainly shows up on the screen when for some reason the player is unable to retrieve the content from the servers or play the video content as it should. So what can be done about this? Let's delve into the solutions. One of the most common fixes is to check the server status, examine the stability of your internet connection, restart your devices, clear your browser cache, clear the app cache, and disable browser extensions. However, if these general troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, there are a few more specific solutions that might do the trick. Firstly, consider updating the firmware. This is particularly relevant if you're using a streaming device or watching YouTube TV on a smart TV. The steps to update firmware can vary between devices, so it's recommended to search for specific instructions for your particular model. Once updated, check if the error has been resolved. Secondly, updating your current location on the app has helped many users overcome error code 2. To do this, navigate to tv.youtube and click on your user icon. From there, go to the location option and click Update next to the Home Area option. The same process can be followed on a smart TV or web browser. After updating your location, close the window and relaunch the app to see if the error persists. One important note for iOS users. If you're using an Apple TV or an iPhone, you might not be able to update the location on your YouTube TV account from these devices. In this case, you'll need to use a different device running on a different platform to update the location. In summary, the YouTube TV error code 2 is a playback issue that can be resolved through various methods. These include general troubleshooting approaches such as checking server status and restarting devices, as well as more specific solutions like updating firmware and adjusting your location settings. Remember, if you're an iOS user, you may need to use another device to update your location settings. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.